I can't believe I just got a mini fridge for only $138, and I swear when I was in college these were like 300 bucks. So if you or your kid is going back to college, you might want to jump on this deal ASAP. And look at this, my wife immediately put it right next to her desk. Now this is a mini fridge, but it's actually a pretty good size. I got the 3.2 cubic foot one, but they also make one that's like half this size. They make ones that are even bigger, but I thought this was the perfect size. But I think you guys know what we have to do now. Ready and bang, look at that. I mean, come on, you can fit several 6-packs of soda in here. You can put candy bars in the freezer. And I mean, when have you ever seen a mini fridge with a produce drawer? That is awesome. You can move the shelves and customize it however you want. There's an adjustable temperature from 33 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit. And look at this, there's even an included ice tray. They make it in black, stainless steel, and a bunch of other fun colors. But if you're concerned about shipping, don't worry. It was only $8 for me. And you might even have a coupon, so just add it to your cart down below in my TikTok shop and see how much it is for you.